What is up, guys? MC over here. Today we're doing a little bit more different tutorial rather than just RSPSs. Alright, so if you're a Mac user coming to Windows, you're probably gonna have a problem with drivers. You might want to get the latest drivers, but you probably can't because it's gonna be unsupported. And this is for the older computers. I'm talking about MacBook Pro 2007, 2006, 2008, 2009, even 2010, I believe. So if you need help with them, then up to them and teach you how to install unsupported BootCamp drivers. So what are you gonna download over here? This is the link. I will post it in the description as well for you guys so you guys can see. But this is the link over here, so that's what you're gonna be downloading. When we download that, it's gonna be a zip file. So we're gonna go ahead and press that, and it's gonna start downloading over here. I'm gonna pause the video so it's not, while it's downloading. Almost done. Alright guys, when it's done downloading just like this, we're gonna give me a second over here. It's gonna be a zip file. As you can see, we're gonna have to extract it, but there's a little maneuver that we have to take. There's a little step that we have to do. Sorry. Once it's done installing or downloading, once it's done downloading, close the web page. Try to find it in your downloads folder. So it's probably going to be BootCamp over here. You're going to press extract files, and you want to extract it right here in the download section. And let's see, where is it over here? So I'm going to open this up. This is your users, by the way, guys. So later on I'm going to show you something else. Remember this. This is your users. So keep name of your users. Take the name of it. Make sure you keep that in mind. We're going to go to downloads folder, so you can click on downloads. I'm going to click it over here. And we're just going to do this simply. To add a new folder, we're going to do a little backslash over here and type BootCamp drivers. Just like that. And press OK. Give it a little time to extract over here. Once it's done extracting, we'll be back. Once it's done extracting, you now BootCamp drivers, so you can open it up right here. It's gonna be your downloads, and then it's gonna be BootCamp over here. So normally, what you would do is you would try to run the setup, correct? In this casing point, this is what it will say if you try to run the setup. It's not gonna do us any good. So what you want to do is very simple. It's a very simple task. We can install any unsupported BootCamp drivers just by following these correct steps. Okay guys, so once we have this everything loaded up, this is what we're gonna do. Simple. I made a little text document for you guys so you guys can see. Command to use for BootCamp installation. Make sure to use this on CMD and run CMD as administrator. Type the following below into CMD or copy paste. This is the code we're gonna use to run it, okay? So here's what we're gonna do first. We're gonna open CMD up, and you can do that by going to Start menu if you're on Windows 7. If you're on Windows 8, you can do it by putting your mouse to the right and searching. If you're on Windows 10, you can just use the search menu and look for CMD. So in this case, we're gonna look for CMD. We're gonna run it as administrator. It's gonna open up right over here. Okay. We're gonna go to this text document over here. I'm gonna let you guys read this for a second. So I know you guys can't copy paste this because you know I'm only showing it to you guys, but I will be posting all of this into the description along with the link of to download the drivers. Sorry for the sound of my voice, I'm a little bit sick. Anyways, continuing on, you want to copy paste it or just type it, whatever. Make sure you remember you can't control V in here. You have to right click and press paste in CMD. Oh, yes, guys. When you try to copy paste it, I forgot something. You see over here it says your username. Right over here. You can change that to your username. So in this case, mine is this. So I'm going to copy that again. And I'm going to paste it to here. And press enter. So now we are into this directory. This just took us to this folder that we need to be, the bootcamp folder where we need to make installation. So after that, we then press enter, which that's what it says over here, means that we press enter after we type this in, just like I showed you. And then after that, we're going to copy this, and we're going to paste the second line into here, and this is what we got. So if you get this is very simple. It means but only one thing. It means that it's not called BootCamp64.msi, instead it's called BootCamp.msi. So I apologize about that. Should have fixed that before, but let's go ahead and give it a try again. So last time we did 64.msi, as you can see over here. This time we're gonna do this. See, there we go. I have it installed already, so it's asking me to repair it. But for you guys who don't have it installed, it's gonna install it for you guys. Don't worry about that. This is only saying this for me because I already have it installed. So yes, this is how to install unsupported bootcamp drivers on MacBook Pro or any MacBook that wants to run BootCamp 5 when it's only supported BootCamp 4 or lower. Alright guys, thank you for watching and good luck. And oh, one more thing, remember, if you want more tutorials like this or better tutorials, go to the forums, malimt.freeforums.org. I'll also post the link in the description. Make sure to check everything out. Hope this works out for you. Good luck.